Toast Vegan Chefs. I'm Stefan, and this channel is dedicated to making you a better vegan cook. Today it's all about mushroom toast. Not just any mushroom toast, but mushroom toast infused with corn. And it all starts with roasted corn seasoned with truffle. Of course, we took our corn juice and made the most luxurious corn custard sauce ever. We're gonna place our corn toast right on top. Finished with our clamshell cluster of mushrooms, roasted, garnished with chives. We have Easter radishes. This is not your everyday mushroom toast for sure, so let's make it. Let's jump into the video and get it started. It's really important we make a thick slice of bread. This is the part in the recipe where we gotta get it just right. We're gonna puree the corn with just enough plant milk to make it thin, but not so thin that we dilute the starches in the recipe. Look at that move, huh? Hit it with a pinch of salt, quarter cup of plant milk, smell the thyme, you can smell the sweetness. We're gonna add just a few drops black truffle oil. Off the heat. You can smell the aroma, the perfume. It's almost audacious. All right, let's get a bite, huh? Oh, look at the custard spreading all over the plate. Beautiful. That's a huge bite, so we're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna be responsible adults today. The mushroom toast infused with corn is fire. It's so fire. I'm gonna take another huge bite. But before that, I'll see you next week. Bye.